Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to use an ATM machine efficiently and securely. First, locate an ATM in a well-lit and busy area. For added safety, it's often best to use an ATM that is attached to a bank. Once you've chosen an ATM, insert your debit or credit card into the card slot. Ensure the magnetic strip faces downward and toward the machine. If your card has a chip, insert it into the slot with the chip facing upward. Next, the ATM will prompt you to enter your personal identification number, PIN. This is the 4-digit number you selected when you first received your card. Enter it carefully, as too many incorrect attempts can lock your account. To keep your PIN private, cover the keypad with your hand or an object while typing it. After entering your PIN, the ATM will display various transaction options, such as withdrawing cash, checking your balance, or transferring money. Select the desired option by pressing the corresponding button on the screen. If you're withdrawing cash, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring you have enough funds in your account to avoid overdraft fees. The ATM will then dispense your cash. Make sure to collect both your cash and card before leaving. The ATM will also offer a receipt. It's a good idea to take it, as it records the transaction amount and your remaining balance. Using an ATM is simple and convenient. Always stay mindful of your surroundings, safeguard your personal information, and never share your PIN. Following these steps ensures a secure and hassle-free experience. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.